I'm out for a drive with our communication staff, and we're driving around, taking a quick drive around to look for some potholes so we can report them and make sure they get fixed up as quick as possible before the spring season. Potholes are a way of life in North America. The different changing temperatures, unfortunately, when the water, in the spring specifically, when the water gets into the road, into the cracks, changing temperatures, the water freezes, expands, bubbles up the roadway a little bit. Plows either take it off or traffic, compacts it afterwards, and unfortunately you get a bit of a hole and it wears and tears, and we get potholes. You can report a pothole online. We have a section online on our website that report it, send in a pothole, or you can call our customer service and let them know that you just saw a pothole or hit a pothole, and this is where it's located. The better the information we have, the better our staff can get out there and get it recorded and into the system. If a pothole's been reported and nothing's been done yet, again, it depends on the time frame. It depends on what our crews are working on. If there's been snow, then they're out clearing the roads as opposed to the pothole. It can depend on several different things. The busyness of the road, how fast it gets fixed. If it's a main artery, we'll try to fix it a little quicker than if it's a side road. It is Canada, it is winter, it's warming up, and we just ask them to be patient. Our ultimate goal is to get all the roads fixed up to the point where we have fewer potholes, but it's been a long process, and until we get there, we're just going to have to work away and do the best we can on a temporary manner, and that's what pothole repair is.